Chester, what you got there, boy? What you got there?
You gotta spook him.
Oh, he ain't gonna go nowhere. What you got there? Kryptonite?
He's gonna take him, man.
What you got there? Jackrabbit? You fucking crazy, stupid fucking cat you are.
He's eating his head.
Yeah, he's eating the whole fucking mouse, my nigga. Look at all the blood.
Yeah, he fucked him up there.
God damn, he's a wild motherfucker, this cat. Fuck it, let him eat, fuck him.
Hood, nigga.
He's a hood nigga, hood cat. He Chester the cat. Hey, Charlie Murphy. Eating rats and shit. He like a...
Y'all niggas got me fucked up calling me Chester. Y'all don't know who the fuck I be, son.
Chester, my nigga. Yo, film you. I'm gonna put you on YouTube. Goddamn, he's showering on that motherfucker. Oh, wow, you got a killer shot of him.
Put it on the mouth, not on his face. Does it taste good, you motherfucking nasty bitch? That shit must taste steak to him, man.
I guess,
Course,
dude.
bro.
He likes to taste the blood, I guess.
Fresh catch.
He's got his heart, look. Took his heart out.
Chicken heart.
Ooh, crushing him.
You?
Cutting them up. Cutting them up, bro.
Breaking them bones.
Slicing that motherfucker.
Hey, Charlie Murphy. Oh, man, look at that.
Nice.
Nice.
Ribs. Oh.
That's that filet mignon.
He wants that heart. That liver. He wants that
Ratatouille.
liver.
Yeah, but, hey, you seen that on the thing?
That's that ratatouille right there.
Hey, you saw that on that program? When he says, what's that, Key and Peele?
Yes or no?
That's Key and Peele, right?
Look at that shit. Wow, he dogged that shit, dog.
That's disgusting.
He likes it.
You're a nasty nigga, Justin. You see that?
I don't want you rubbing up me no more, nigga. Yeah. Ugh, shit in my throat.
No, he's just a ghetto cat,
Look at
man.
that shit.
It's disgusting.
Just no more cat food for you, boy.
Zoom in.
That nigga eats good, bro.
Hey, but that's good, man, because he's cleaning my house up with all these little mices.
Nice.
And the
Zoom in on
mices.
that nasty ass shit.
Mises.
I'm done.
Fuck that nigga up, dog. How the fuck you catch that nigga, Chester? You fat ass nigga, dog.
Hey, the other day he ate a bird, man, a big blue jay. He took him in here, and I came back the next morning, and there was bones everywhere in here, like fucking chicken bones, like this big, dude. He ate the whole fucking bird, dude, and there was feathers everywhere. Fucking crazy ass nigga, this cat. Oh man, I'm filming myself. All right, so I'm gonna quit doing drugs.